Now we have to find a value of cot x, that is opposite to sin x, that is opposite to tan x, not a sin x. Now cot x is equals to b over p. We have to find the value of x. So first of all we have to find this square minus this square, that is a 24. Now what is a base? Base is a 10, base is a 24 here, because this is an angle, so there is a 24 over 10, which is 2.4. Its next part is 1 over sin square y minus 1 over tan square y. Now first of all we have to find a sin y. So in this, if this whole is a 42 and this one is a 10, then what is this? This is a 32, right? Now we have to find p over h. P over h. After solving minusing this, we get a 40 of hypotenuse. Now what is a p? Here p is this, that is 24, and what is h? H is 40. This is the value of sin y. So after cutting, we get a 3 by 5. Now tan y is p over b, but here cot x is given, but it is related from this figure. Now we are going with this figure, right? Now what is a p? P is 24, and what is a b? That is 3 over 4, right? Now these two values are put in this equation, that is 1 over sin square y minus 1 over tan square y. Now what is a sin square? Sin square is, sin is 3 over 5. Now opposite to 3 over 5 is 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3 squares. Means 25 by 9 minus 16 by 9, which is 9 by 9, which is equals to 1. With this, your one exercise is complete. Try to solve all the questions on a notebook. Now come on a second exercise, that is 22b. Here also be again the same concepts, just sums little bit, sums are different. So I will explain there. Find from the following figure, find y. So this is a figure, okay, here y, this one is x, this one is 1, and this one is 2. Now here, where what is the base? Base is this is h, this is t. Now first of all we have to find the value of y or value of p. So here h is given, b is given. Again Pythagoras, p square is p square plus b square. Now what is p? P is not given, b is 1 square, and there is 2 square. 4 is equals to p square plus 1. 4 minus 1 is p square, and p is under root of 3. Now first of all we have to find the value of y, which is equals to under root 3. Now second part is find the value of sin x degree. Now sin x is what? P over h. Now what is a p? P, value of p is under root 3. Under root 3, and what is the value of h? That is 2. So sin x is 2. And its third part is secant x minus tan x, secant x minus tan x, and secant x plus tan x, right? Now secant is h over b minus p over b, h over b plus p over b. Now what is h? H is 2 and b is 1 minus p is under root 3 over, or you can say that one thing more, you learn it, that is a minus b and a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Now what is h? H is 2 over 1 square minus under root 3 over 1 whole square, which is 4 minus 3, which is 1 is your answer, right? Now come on a fourth question. Now in the fourth question, in a given figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. This is given. That is A, B, C, and this point is D. We have a 4 centimeter this side. We have a 3 centimeter of this side. Now see a statement. In a given figure, triangle ABC is right angle at B. Means this one is a right angle and D is the foot of perpendicular from B to AC. Means this is the foot of perpendicular from B to AC. Given that BC, that is 3 centimeter, and AB is 4 centimeter. Now we have to find tan, see, first of all we have to find AC. Now AC square is AB square plus BC square, which is 4 square plus 3 square, again 25. Now AC is what? Sorry, AC is 5, right? Now AC is 5. Now students, we have to find tan DBC. Means B is a angle. If B is a angle, now what is a P? So first of all, see students, here is AC. Now in this triangle, see, this is the smallest triangle, we have just 3 centimeter, but we do not have a DB and DC. So first of all we have to find it, after that we have to go with tan DBC. Now how we have to find? See student, this is a 2 triangles, this one is a big one, see, like this, you have a triangles, and this one is also be a triangle, right? You can say ABC and DBC are 2 triangles in which AC over BC. See, AC over BC is equals to AB over BD, right? Now AC is what? AC is 5 and BC is what? 3 and AB is what? 4 and BD is, give a cross multiply, BD is 12 by 5, right? BD is what? That is 12 by 5. Now DC square is equals to 3 square minus 12 by 5 square, which is 9 minus 144 over 25. After multiplying it, we get 81 over 25, which is 9 over 5, right? Now come on a concept, we have to find tan DBC, which is P over B, which is equals to 9 over 5 or 12 over 5, which is 9 over 12, 3 over 4 is your answer. Now DBA, that is, now sin DBA, which is equals to AD over AB. Now what is the AD? AD is 16 over 5 over 4. After solving it, you get a answer. Now come on the next question. Question number 6. See, in a sixth question, in the following figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle. See, this one is ABC. This is what? This is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle having a two sides equal. In equivalent triangle, all sides are equal. In scalar triangle, no one side are equal, and in isosceles triangles, all two sides are equal. So this side and this side is equal, and this is ABC, and BC is 8 centimeter. Now, first of all, I will take a perpendicular, right? So this side is 4 centimeter, right? So firstly, how we can find out AB equal to AC equal to 5 centimeter. This one and this one is 5. You can easily find it. 5 square minus 16 square, that is 5 square minus 4 square, which is equals to perpendicular, which is a 3. So this side is 3. You easily solved it. Now we have to find sine B. See, this is the side B, this is a base, this is a perpendicular, and this is a height. This is a perpendicular, this is a base, and this is a height. Now, sine B, P over H. P is 3 and H is 5. 3 by 5 is your answer. Next one is tan C. Now, tan C, this side. So, in this side, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse, and this is a perpendicular. Now what is a tan? Pandit Badri Prasad. P. Har bole. B. Now what is a P? P is 3 and what is a B? That is 4. 3 over 4. Now here tan C minus cot B. Third part is tan C minus cot B. Tan C is 3 by 4. Now cot B is B over P. B over P. B is what? That is 4 and P is what? That is 3. After solving it, you get answer minus 7 over 12. You take LCM 12 and after solving it, you get a answer. Right? Now come on the next question. See question number 15. In the given figure, angle C is of 90 degree. This one is equal to this, A, B, C, D, and C is of 90 degree. D is a mid point of AC. Find tan CAB over tan CDB. Now students see, tan is what? P over B. P over B. Here is P over B, here is P over B. But point is that first of all A is an angle. When A is an angle, then what is a P? P is BC. This one is, if this is an angle, then this one is perpendicular and this one is a base. So BC over AC, and when this one is angle, then again BC is base and DC is a, now BC over AC is equal to DC over BC. This and this will be cancelled and we get a DC over AC. Now DC over AC. Now see AC, this whole term is AC and D is on a midpoint. So can we write it as DC over 2 time of DC means AC is equals to 2 time of DC. मतलब this plus this is equals to same thing. Sorry, this is a C and this is a B, right? And after that we get this and this will be cancelled and we get a 1 by 2, right? And its second part is similar, you can solve it by yourself. Now see question number 18. In a question number 18, in a rhombus ABCD is a diagonal, AC and BD intersect each other at a point O. So A, B, C, D and AC and BD intersect at a point O. So first of all, see, it's very easy question. First of all, we have OB is equals to 8 centimeter, right? And again we have to OB plus OA is equals to AB square. We have first taken this triangle, OB square plus OA square is equals to AB square. Now what is OB? See students, if there is a question, if cosine of angle CAB is cos CAB is 0.6 is given, that is 6 by 10, that is 3 over 5. Now cos is equals to B over H means base and H hypotenuse is given. Now see, what you say, OB is 8 centimeter and the length of side and diagonals. Now first of all, here OB is what? H is what? H is 5, means this is a 5 and this is a 3 and we have to find this. Let us suppose this is a 5x square plus we have to find, sorry, here is AB, right? So we have to find OB square, which is AB square minus OA square. Now this term is 5x square minus 3x square, which is equals to 25x square minus 9x square, 16x square, which is equals to 4x, right? Now, but given is that OB is equals to 8, means 4x is equals to 8, here x is equals to 2, means ratios are 5x and 3x, that is 5 multiplied 2 is 10 and 3 multiplied 2 is 20. So BD is 8 multiplied 2 is 16 and AC is 6 multiplied 2 is 12. Now how? 6, OB is 5 multiplied 2 is 10, right? Now come on a question number, next question. Question number 21. If Q is tan A, Q tan A is P. Find the value of P sin A minus Q cos A over P sin A plus Q cos A. See students, what is given? Q tan A is equals to P. Now tan A is equals to P over Q, which is P over B is given. Now again I make a diagram. Now what is P? P is P and this is Q. Now we have to find this, that is P square plus Q square. How we have to find? H square is P square plus B square Now P is same, and what is base? That is Q square. Now H is equal to square root of P square plus Q square. So H is what? That is P square plus Q square. Now we have to put a value of this. First of all, we have to find a sin A. Now sin A is what? P over H. P over square root of P square plus Q square. And what is the cos? That is B over H. That is Q over square root of P square plus Q square. Clear? Now we have to find the value in this equation. Right? I rub it. See, we have to put the value in this equations. That is P sin A. Sin A is P over square root P square plus Q square. P over square root P square plus Q square minus Q into Q over square root P square plus Q square over P into P over square root P square plus Q square plus Q into Q over P square plus. Clear? Now see. Now P into P is P square over P square plus Q square minus Q square over P square plus Q square over P square plus Q square over P square plus Q square and P square plus Q square. Right? Now take a LCM, that is square root of P square plus Q square. Upward is P square minus Q square over P square plus Q square over P square plus Q square. This and this should be cancelled, and we have a P square minus Q square over P square plus Q square. Right? With this is your answer. Right? Now see last question, question number 28. Question, if 5 of cos theta is equals to 3. Now what is the value of cos theta? 3 over 5, which is B over H. From here you have to find the value of P, which is you get a 4. Now he says that find cosecant theta minus cot theta over cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta over cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now you can find the value of cosecant theta, that is we can also write it as 1 over sin theta minus cos theta over sin theta over 1 over sin theta plus cos theta over sin theta. Again we take LCM, 1 over cos theta or 1 over cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Now we have value of cos 1 minus 3 over 4, 1 plus 3 over 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 over 5. After solving it you get the answer. Right? With this your this chapter is complete. So students, so please try to solve this. (22A) and 22B on your notebooks. If there is any type of problem, then go to comment section and comment to that question. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.